Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to use Microsoft PowerPoint software. So let's get started. So PowerPoint is a very powerful software for your presentation. So here it is made by Microsoft, and if you want to use, then you have to buy this software. So here you have to go, and from here you can select your template. So here I will just open a one template like this one. Just click on create here and it will open, as you can see. So first we will write here our title. So to write that, you have to right click here, and from here you can write. So for example, I am writing about tech, so like tech. So here you can give your name, like you can write like made by, then here you can give your name, and then you can use. So to create a new slide, you have to click on right click here and click on new slide. Then here you can insert the image and do many other things. So to insert the image, you have to go to the insert option, and from here you have to click on this as your photo album. Then you have to new album photo, or then you can just here you can put the photo from your album. For example, if I go like screenshot this, insert it, just click on create, and then it will create a album of this photo. So by this way you can do it. And to insert a picture, you have to go it here, then you have to insert it like this. So here you can see photo. So from here I can make it bigger in size according to this, and to edit this I will click on here, and from here you can click on like this this you can just click on this, then here you can click on this crop, just click on here, and then you can make it smaller, or you can like here you can just make it smaller like this and click on here and it will be cropped. Then to design this page, then we will use this. So from here you can use your design. So for example, if I do like this, or if I don't want this, I will just do it normal. So here we will just go transition. So to put the transition in this slide, I can click on this cut by this way and click on this fade. So for example, if we slideshow here, like click on the slideshow, click on here, and you can see it's have been like fade and came. So by this way you can see you can make a transition here, and if you want a new slide, just click on here, you can make it, and from here you can put the like slide transition whichever you want, like wipe, split, or many more. You can click on here and you can see. When you will just click on animation, then you can see like animation, you can like animate the, like here you can see for the text, like for example if I write here like let us say like content, then you have to click on this, and from here you can like click on this float in, then you can see the content will like float in on the window when you will present. Let's go to home, and from the home, if you want to insert a shape, then you can click on this here, and from here you can make a shape like this. So by this way you can just insert like random shapes if you want, like this here. If you go to insert option, then from here we can make chart, smart art, and many shapes as well. So these are the many options you can see. So let's go here, let's make a chart. Just click on chart, and from here you have to select whichever chart you want, and then select the chart, click on OK, and from here you can see the chart. So here you have to input your data. You can just copy and paste into by MS Excel from here, and you can use this also. So this is how you can make charts. From here you can use the background also, as you can see. You can give here chart title as well. Let's see like data. So I have named it data, you can name yours whatever you want. So by this way I can just resize it. So if you click on design, then we have many types of design. We can just design by color also. As you can see, this is like blue color type of thing. If you go to insert, then we can take online pictures also. Just click on online pictures, and from here, like it's having temporary issue, then you can like you insert the images also. So if you want to insert like a table, then you can go to insert, and then here you can see like the table. Just click on here and you can make the table like this way. So by this way you can make a table also. Then if you go to insert again, then you can see like we can make a header and footer by this way. And if you want to word art, you can use here your word art also like this. Like for example, I write like name. By this way you can make word art and you can do many things. So if you see here, you can do like border like this text also. By this way you can customize also. If you want to view, then here you can view as a notes or zoom it, and you can fit in a window also. If you go to slideshow, then from here you can do the slide showing also, but you can use a shortcut key as like F5. If you go to transition, then you can set sounds also. So let's do the sound. You can click on here and you can just put like a sound like a bomb. So when it will play, then it will sound like a bomb, like the next slide will be like a bomb. And if you go to the animation, then here we can set like a many type of animation. So if you go like tech, I will just select here animation. Let us see like this type of bounce. So it will like bounce like this. So as you can see, it's look cool. So you can just set the bounce also. If you want like a arc type of bounce like this, you can just set, or like a turn. Then you can go to the shapes also. If you want a loop, and you can do the customize path also. For example, if I want like this, I can do it by this way. Then you can set this and then it will be done. For example, if I do like this, then it will be done. So by this way you can set the path also, and you can do many other things. So this is how to use the PowerPoint by Microsoft. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for your watching.